Hi, welcome to our cabin 9026Z on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. Come on in. Welcome to the Sea Terrace cabin on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady. We're going to give you a quick room tour just to show you what the room layout is and what you can expect if you ever book a Scarlet Lady or any other Virgin cruise. So right behind you, you will see the evacuation plan and the closet. The evacuation plan will not only have your fastest way to exit, but also your muster station. So we are muster station I, and we will be finding that at the wake. Next, we're going to the closet. As you can tell, it's not a big closet. It will get the job done, but it's not a super huge closet. So, just be mindful when you're packing. You do have some shelving space up top. You have some hangers, a dry cleaning bag in case you need to get some done. You do have some storage baskets down here at the bottom, as well as a little closet here. Your life jackets, some space, a safe, hair dryer in the bag, and 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and a space at the bottom, full length mirror. You also have your thermostat right here. This controls the temperatures in the room. Right now it's right in the middle. You can bump it down, it's a little toasty. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Okay, so next we're gonna go back to the closet area because I do need to show you the switches here. These switches control the lights in the cabin, and also if you're ready to have your cabin made up, you'll just push this spill button here. It'll light up, and then if you're ready to have that do not disturb moment, do not disturb, and it will light up outside, and your cabin steward will know when you're ready to have your cabin made up, or if you're occupying the cabin. All right. Next, really quick and simple, we will go to the bathroom. Now, Virgin is known for their pretty compact bathrooms. They get the job done, but once again, they are compact, as you can see. And this is the shower. So, like I said, very compact. There is a Rainfall shower head and a shower wand for anybody who does not like Rainfall shower heads. So just be mindful that is there. Also, there's a place to put your soap, as well as your hair wash, hair conditioner, and body wash. Okay, and that is the bathroom is pretty cut and dry. All right, next we're going to move into the cabin. And as you can see, we do have a lower platform bed. If you have an issue getting up and down off the bed, please understand that these are a lower platform bed. If you're used to a higher bed, this may be an issue for you, but if not, they are pretty low, as you can see. Right beside the bed, you do have a little armrest area here where you can kind of place some things if you're just hanging out in the bed. You do have 2 light switches over there, and then a plug with a USB port. And right above the headboard, you do have 3 lights that are attached to the wall, and they do have that switch where you can turn them off and on. You do have 2 hooks over here on the wall. I will say there is not a lot of bright light in this room, so if you're looking for that really bright ambiance, it does kind of cast dark, so just keep that in mind. Now we will go over a little more into the cabin, and as you can see, we do have a smart TV. And right behind you, there is another full-length mirror that is not in the closet. Okay, we do have our vanity area with another mirror, and then you have a touch lamp that you can touch on and off here if you would like, and your tablet. Now this tablet does control features in the room, including playing the muster drill, so just keep that in mind as well. Now you can control a few features on this. You can control the TV, the thermostat, and play your muster drill from it, and as well as the lights. So this is a all-in-one smart tablet. Okay, we will move a little forward into the cabin as far as we can go. As you can see, there is a cooler here. Okay, not a really big one, so if you do have like a bottle of wine or such, you may be able to fit that in there. That's about it. You have 2 more shelves here, a couple of glasses, and some water. They do refill this water each and every day. Now, there is a chair here. One thing I will say is that we missed space that if you want to separate these beds, this bed will slide over, and this is a part of a platform as far as the bed is concerned. So this bed will become 2 twin beds instead of 1 king bed. Also, there is another set of light switches there, and they control the overall lights in the room. You have a high back chair here. So it's okay. It's not super comfortable. And over here, this is the curtain to the terrace. Now, one thing I will say about this is Virgin does try to make things as smart as possible. So once you open these, there is a button here. Okay, let me show you the buttons. So there's 2 buttons. One is going to open the curtain and one is going to close the curtain. So we want the curtains open. So what we're going to do is just press that button. And as you can see, the curtains behind us are opening to the terrace. Okay. And outside we have the standard Virgin Voyage Sea Terrace. There is a little step up, so be mindful of that. And I promise this view gets better. Right now we're still in port and we're at the terminal, so you will see that. But we do have 2 chairs here, a small table, and then the Virgin Voyages hammock. I'm not going to embarrass myself in this hammock right in a second, but I am going to try it out.
Ahoy, sailors.
Ahoy.
At Virgin Voyages, safety always comes first. Closely.
So that is it for our cabin tour of the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, cabin 9026Z, Sea Terrace cabin. Thank you for joining us. If you are looking to book a Virgin Voyages cruise or any other cruise, please reach out to me, parkersonthego16@gmail.com, and we can get you booked on your next cruise. Until next time, Parker's out.
Now, I've got some important safety information that I must tell you before we cruise.
If you need assistance booking your next cruise, feel free to reach out to us at parkersonthego16@gmail.com, and we can help you book your next cruise.